Welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about 5 facts about DNA. DNA is the molecule that carries genetic information for the development and functioning of an organism. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Number 1. Our DNA could stretch from the Earth to the Sun and back 600 times. With about 30 trillion cells in our body, it would stretch over 67 billion miles, and the distance between the Earth and the Sun is 93 million miles. Number 2. We all are 99.5% alike. 3 billion base pairs in the human genome only. Only about 0.5% vary from the individuals. Only 0.5% is still what makes us unique. Number 3. Genes make up only about 3% of our DNA. Genes are only about 1 to 3% of our DNA. The rest of your DNA code controls the activity of your DNA. Genes influence how you work, how you act, and how susceptible you are to disease. Number 4. Many genes control most traits. Traits are specific characteristics of an individual. Most traits are controlled by lots of genes with very small effects. For example, traits like height are impacted by over 12,000 DNA variants. Number 5. Our traits are a product of our genes and our environment. Most of our traits are controlled by a combination of your genetic information and your environment. For example, your height as an adult is strongly influenced by your DNA. After all, biological parents tend to have tall biological children, but early childhood nutrition also plays a big factor in how tall you become as an adult. These are the 5 facts of DNA. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button, comment, and share the video.